for principal's list. And obviously, throughout the ceremony, what do we always tell you guys at lunch about your voices? Right? Now's not the time, so you can scream and yell and cheer and be loud. And guys, this is the best part. This is the best part. When you guys go home tonight, you can do the exact same thing at home for mom and dad. When you hear your name called, you're going to come down the center, okay? So the principal's list, students, the lovely Miss Wofford will give you your certificate. You will give a nice firm handshake to Mr. Fitzgerald. Then you'll move your way to Mrs. He wants to be called lovely. All right, the lovely Mr. Fitzgerald, okay? Then you'll get a locker certificate to hang on your locker by the lovely Mrs. Otto. The lovely Miss Karina will give you a principal's pencil. The handsome, strapping Mr. Rodriguez will give you a magnet for the car. This is for moms and dads and guardians. Okay? And then the lovely Miss Grachowski will give, I said it right, will give a locker magnet to hang what Mrs. Otto gives to the students. Okay. Oh, then they will proceed to the lovely Miss Stewart. We'll take a group picture. After we take the picture, we will invite the parents to come up and to your left and to take pictures yourself. So we will give you time. Okay. So this is for principal's list, A's in all classes. Jacob Copeland Brown. Maya Copeland Brown. Jennifer Fernandez. Anika Ginocchio. Annika Ginocchio. Tyler Lay. Sabrina Lewis. And Nicole Ang.
Stand something.
Oh, and Taylor Shebeck. Big round of applause